Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy a domain with Google Domains, and I will also show you the new update about the Google Domains that has been transferred to Squarespace domains, right? So first of all, we will have to just write here Google Domains here. We will get to the website, Google Domains, click on it. Automatically you will see an option that on September 7, 2023, Squarespace acquired all domain registration and related customer accounts from the Google Domains. In simpler terms, that Google Domains has been transferred to Squarespace domain. So we will not able to longer use any Google Domains from now on. But if you want to go with the Google Domains, you have to go and click on Squarespace domain here. Now you will be automatically redirected to Squarespace domain. Now here it will ask you to start your domain name search here, right? So for example, it's really easy. Domain name is something which you have to find a very unique name which is not available or taken by anybody. So make sure you have a good name in your mind and you can just check it out whether it's available or not. So let's say I will search for it. You don't need to type www dot here. You can just write here, for example, Uraku Sage. Let's say I just want to look for this name, that any domain has been taken or it is still available or not. So as you can see here, orakusage.co.in is available, and these are some of the different domains which is available. And same thing. So guys, for example, I just want to look for Google that whether it's available or not. So when I search for it, automatically you can see that no domain with Google word is available. Of course, you can find with a different name here, Google Cloud App www.google99.com. So for example, that to buy it, it's really easy. You have to go and select any of the domain which you like, and for example you want .in, .com, .co.uk. Make sure that before buying, check that you're buying for your country, or you are just looking to sell your products or for the website for the whole world, right? So once you do start, just go and click on checkout. Now automatically it will ask you to sign up with your Google account, or you can use a normal ID. I will just use my Google account here, and I will just go with my Google email addresses. Now once you have logged in, on the right side you will see all the order summary, for example how much it will cost here. Of course you get the first year discount, right? And this is a registration terms here. Now I just want to buy this domain for 1 year. You can just go and buy this domain for as much as you want, and then just go and click on save and continue. Everything, your details will be shown here. You can just edit each and everything. Now here on the right side, same order summary. Now just go and click on submit. Once you have added all the addresses and the info correctly, then you have to enter the payments and the review. In the review, it will just check that whether you have done the payment or not. Then automatically you will get an email and your domain is now yours own, right? So this is how you can just buy domain from Google Domains. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.